Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung M7 4K smart monitor. Now, I've been using this monitor for about 2 months now, and I gotta say, I do not regret my purchase. Now, I did already give my first impressions with this monitor, and to be honest, not really much has changed, but you can consider this video right here my review. So, I had originally bought this as my gaming monitor, which is what I do use it for most of the time, and I'm pretty sure by now, you've noticed the streaming camera up top. I do stream my gameplay sometimes on Twitch, and if you want to follow me, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below. And no, the camera does not come with the monitor. Now, if you are a hardcore gamer, then this might not be the one for you because I know a higher frame rate is better than just a higher resolution. So even though this is a 4K monitor, it does top out at 60 frames per second. So that's probably the only downside when it comes to playing games. But for a casual gamer like myself, I find gameplay to be just fine. It's still a smooth, enjoyable experience. The display looks great, and it automatically puts itself into a gaming mode to maximize performance. Now, not only for the picture, but for the sound as well. Oh yeah, this monitor also has built-in speakers, which sound pretty good, but we'll get to that in a bit. And then it also has an ultra-wide game view, which is useful for PC gamers that like that expanded perspective. And if your eyes start to hurt after a while, there is also an eye saver mode. So overall, for me personally, I enjoy gaming on this monitor. But gaming is not the only thing this monitor can be used for. This is kind of like an everything do-it-all monitor. So when I'm not playing games, I also have the option to watch things like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, and even YouTube. And the 4K quality looks great. You can set the picture at dynamic, standard, natural, movie, or even filmmaker. I personally like to keep it at dynamic or natural, and it looks great. And remember when I told you about the built-in speakers on here? Well, yeah, they sound pretty good and can actually get pretty loud as well. So there's no need to go out and hurry to get external speakers. You know what? Here's a little sample. So I wasn't kidding when I said this is an everything do-it-all monitor. If you want to use the internet, you can. You don't need a computer. You can search the internet straight from the monitor itself. So if I want to use something like Twitter on the big screen rather than on my phone, I can. It works just like a computer. And if I do want more of a desktop experience, I can also use Samsung DeX with my Samsung device. And at that point, I can hook up a mouse and a keyboard if I want. I can even use the video editing app from my phone and now edit on a bigger screen. Now, not everyone uses Samsung DeX, but the feature is definitely useful and can always come in handy. So it is there if you need it. So as you can see, this monitor offers a ton. And if you want more apps, well, they even have an app store to download more. Now, this monitor does come with a controller, which is what I've been using to control it this whole time. It's got a nice curve to it, which makes it comfortable to hold. It's even got dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and the internet. And it even has a microphone for voice commands. Pretty cool. Now, when it comes to the monitor itself, it has a really clean look to it, in my opinion. It's nice and slim with the flat curved display. In the back, it has a cable management strap to keep things looking clean. It's got 2 HDMI inputs, 3 USB inputs, and even a 65-watt USB Type-C input to charge something like your mobile device or tablet straight from the monitor. Now, that is one useful feature that I always find useful. So I stand by what I said before. I do not regret my purchase of this monitor. It's been working out great for me, and I can definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a monitor that, well, does it all. It's currently going for around $350, and if you find yourself interested, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.